Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you insights into the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into a must-have for parents, the ultimate summer car seat canopy. This product not only provides protection but also ensures comfort and style for your little ones. Picture this: a sunny summer day. You're out for a stroll with your baby. But how do you keep them safe from the sun's harmful rays and pesky insects? Enter the stretchy, breathable car seat canopy by PRIMLECT. It's designed to offer dual-layer protection with a mesh for airflow and a sunshade that blocks up to 97.5% of UV rays. Combining a fine mesh for bug-free outings with a stretchy sunshade for UV protection. No more slipping or sliding off thanks to secure elastic straps. Soft Velcro ensures a snug fit on any standard car seat or stroller handle. Made from a high-quality, silky soft rayon blend fabric that's not just functional but stylish too. Imagine effortlessly attaching this canopy to your baby's car seat or stroller, knowing they're shielded from the elements while staying cool and comfortable. The breathable fabric ensures optimal airflow, while the colorful designs add a touch of flair to your outings. When it comes to your baby's comfort and safety, the PRIMLECT car seat canopy is a game-changer. Whether you're at the park, on a picnic, or just taking a stroll, this canopy provides peace of mind and protection. For parents looking to invest in the best for their little ones, the PRIMLECT stretchy breathable car seat canopy is a must-have accessory. Stay tuned for more reviews and recommendations on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates on the latest in baby gear and more. Thanks for watching.